If you're facing a problem where your Grok AI is not generating images, this might be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet to go ahead and fix your problem. So what you need to understand is that you need to go ahead and have a active X or Premium Plus subscription, and keep in mind you shouldn't be exceeding the 2000 images per 2-hour limit. So if that is you, if none of those have been met, then it should work. And if it's not working, it should be because of your network settings. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and toggle between your Wi-Fi and your cellular. Always ensure that your VPN is turned off. Try toggling on and off your airplane mode. The other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and try to uninstall and reinstall the application again. And the final thing you want to do is go to settings and go to general. Scroll down to transfer or reset. Click on reset and reset network settings. That will definitely fix your problem. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.